Hi everyone, and welcome back to another video, or if you're new, welcome. I would love to have you here. In today's video, as seen in the title, I will be showing you and giving you 30 free crochet patterns that you can make for this spring and summer. So I have 6 categories. Category are hair, clothing, drinks, home, bag, and miscellaneous. I'll put tabs below so that you can skip to any topic that has your interest, and then I'll also leave a whole Word document in the link below with all the patterns and the links and everything that you need in order to get started. So we'll start off with hair. So I'll just pop them over here, and I have my notes like down there, so if you see me looking there, I have like the whole doc over there. So first of all are these cute little clips, and they're really cute and really fun, and I don't personally wear I don't have these type of clips in my house, but there are also these flower bobby pin clips which are very interesting, and I might make them. And you can make them in different colors. If you have like a flower that you really like, you can even crochet it in that flower and just stick it on a bobby pin. The next one is this bandana. The link that I'll share has like 3 different types of bandanas, so feel free to check it out, and maybe there's something in there that you really like. Next up is this hairband. If you don't want to have the whole full bandana, you can just go for the hairbands, really cute. And then the final item for hair category is this cute scrunchie with the like bunny ears, like wrap thingy. You can do any type of scrunchie that you personally would like. I have a video on how I make a scrunchie that I really like, and I'll leave that one also in the description below, so you can check that one out as well. So the next category is clothing. So for the girls or gals who want to challenge themselves a little bit, there's this summer flower top, and it's really cute, and I might even personally make it for the summer. If you're not into like tops or so, or you want to, you know, cover your face or whatever, you can make this cute little bucket hat. It's the checkered bucket hat, but there are also like granny square bucket hats. So just check out what type of vibe you want to go for, and then you can go ahead and make you a cute bucket hat for the summer. And the next one is this crochet cherry pattern. The pattern is put on a shirt. So if you have like maybe plain basic shirts and you wanna, you know, re-amp your shirts, you have like old shirts, you could put this cherry on your shirt, or maybe make something else. Maybe those flowers for the bobby pins in your hair, you can also always put them on your shirt, and it will look really cute. The next category is drinks. So with drinks, it's basically anything that has to do with glasses or drinks, I don't know. So the first thing is these mason jar tumbler coasters, in case the drink is too cold or whatever. You can like nicely hold your mason jar and drink out of it. Next up are these citrus coasters, so you can put them down, use them, and they even come in a cute little basket so you can store them on. Super cute. And staying in the coaster category, I also like this flower coaster, or even I've seen like watermelon coasters. So plenty of coasters. I think bear coasters, plenty of coasters. So if these 2 coasters aren't your vibe, just go on like Google, Pinterest, whatever, and then you'll find a bunch of other free coasters. Next one is this can cozy, and it also has a holder, but you can also make it without the holder, of course. And maybe if your can is too cold, you can use it to keep your cat nice and cozy. So next category is home. I didn't put a lot of home things, but there are quite many to find. First thing is this cute little planter cover. So you put it around your the pot of your plant, and I would think you can like change it up every season or so. So you have like summer colors, autumnal colors, and yeah, that would be really cool. I'll probably make some myself as well. Another watermelon coaster that had to be in the drink category. These cute little pot holder that are like heart shaped. I know like the pattern says it's officially for Valentine, but I mean I think hearts are cute, and if not, if hearts are not your vibe, just again search for cute pot holders. There are round ones, square ones. There are different types of pot holders. Next up is these freeze pop cozies. So I don't know if anyone is familiar with these, but you have these plastic tubes, and then they're filled with liquid, and then like a juice or so, or like, I don't know. And you just put them in the freezer, and then you would cut it off, and then you start licking it like an ice, like a popsicle. So these have like little cozies for it. And I think that is super adorable because I always used to wrap mine in kitchen paper, like paper towels. And this is just super cute. Next one is these hand towels. Yeah, they're hand towels. You can dry off your hands, use it for your dishes, whatever you want to use it for. Next one is this plant. This is really, really cute. In case you can't take care of real plants, or you're not allowed to have plants, you don't have space for plants, you can always make this cute crochet plant. Next up is this cute hammock. I know I've been adding cute to literally everything, but they're also cute. So next up is this cute hammock for your fruits. So you can chill in your hammock if you have one outside, and your fruit can chill in their hammock inside, and it doesn't take up like a big large bowl, and it sits a bit higher, so if you're lacking some space in your kitchen or wherever, you could just easily pop this in, put your fruits in, and it's ready. And the last one I added in home, I don't know really where it belongs, but if you want to do like a more sustainable water balloon fight, you can make these water balloons and then soak them up with water and then throw them, and then you can always keep reusing them instead of the actual balloons where all the plastic just scatters. So that's also, I've never thought about that, but it's a really clever idea now that I am thinking about that. Next category is bags. We all love bags. So picture this. You're at the beach, you're grabbing your seashells, or your kids are grabbing seashells, and you need to be the one that carries them. You can make this cute seashell bag and put all your seashells in there, and then you can carry it with style. Or for example, maybe you have some coins or so, or some loose items, like just a small bag that no sand really will get caught in. It's just really, really small. Next is this water bottle holder. It's summer, spring, we need to keep hydrated. So it's good to be carrying a water bottle, and I know I don't like holding it, and I don't want to be carrying an entire bag just to put my water bottle in there. So this cute water bottle holder, you just wrap it around your body, and it will carry it by its own basically. Next, this daisy crochet bag. They're all like little granny squares, and you just add them, and it's like a cute going to the store, only carrying a couple of items type of bag, which I really, really enjoy. Next up are these bags. They're a bit bigger than the daisy bags, and these ones I would say are practical for if you go to the market, or maybe to the pool or the beach. You can put your towel in there, your swimming clothes, and some snacks and stuff. And yeah, that's what I personally will use this bag for. Now we reached our last category, and that is miscellaneous items, or like random bits and pieces. The first ones are these like accessories to your flip-flops, and flip-flops can be super basic, but then if you add these ones, it revamps your flip-flops, and people will be like, oh, those are cute flip-flops, where did you got them? And you can say, I made it myself. Next up are these bookmarks, and they're really cute. And there are plenty of other bookmarks on the internet that you can crochet. So there are ones with like flowers, so like actual like covers to like go all the way around. So you can also make those. Next is this little lip balm holder. So I know it's summer, we need to be hydrated, but we also need our lips to look nice. So therefore, you can make this cute lip balm holder. You can put your lip balm or like your lip gloss, whatever you want to use, your lipstick, put it in. Either put it on your bag, your keychain, or you know, just carry it like that, and it will look very cute. You can also make these earrings. You need a couple of extra items. Of course, you need the things that go into the ear, but in general, that will be super easy. Second to last item are the sleeping mask. You know, the daylight is longer and everything, and the sun is out earlier. If you don't have like blinds or proper curtains, or you just want to have sleeping mask, you want to wear a sleeping mask, just make these and it will look very cute. And if you're comfortable with like thread and needle or like a sewing machine, you can also lay it with like a silk layer on the inside or a satin layer on the inside, and then at least that will also protect your skin and your lashes. Next up are these scrubbies. They're like loofahs that you use in the shower and stuff. I know they can, the ones that you can buy, they're like very prone to getting like mold and stuff, and they're not really hygienic. So you can always make these, and they even unfold, so you can hang them straight and they'll dry, and then you can fold them up again and like use them the next day when you go and shower again. So those are the 30 items that I've showed that you can start with today. All the links, like I said, will be down below. If you have any questions, let me know. If you like these videos, please leave a like and subscribe, because it really helps out my channel and it will push videos to other people so that everyone else can, you know, learn how to crochet. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!